Good afternoon, students. I made another video before this where I was trying to show you handouts and the camera was not positioned properly, and so the handouts didn't come out. So I'd like to show you those handouts and hopefully I can get them to come out. So let's start with the handouts again. First, you have an assignment sheet. It's located in the folder Annotated Bibliography under handouts. So you have an assignment sheet that you can open up, and the assignment sheet will state that you need to use 8 to 10 credible sources that address the points or arguments you plan on making in the research paper. Now, the way the annotated bibliography is going to be graded, the student will use a style guide, usually APA, and will have 4 elements: correctly written citation, summary of source, assessment of credibility, and statement of how the source will be used in the research paper. Each component is worth 25% of the final grade. So you've got that page. Let me show you the next handout that I tried to show you. There's a handout that just shows you how to do one entry. And as an example, with a correctly written citation in APA, a credibility assessment, a peer-reviewed article is automatically considered credible unless more recent research has replaced it. A short summary, 2 to 6 sentences long, depending on your source, and then a statement about how I will use this source in my study. Okay, that is a single entry with guidance notes on it. That is a handout you have in Blackboard, in the folder in Blackboard. Wow. Now let's do the third one. I went ahead and set up a bibliography. It has only 3 entries. And you'll notice I've given you the comments, and I set up the cover page correctly. By the way, if you open up this file, this handout, and you're not seeing everything on the handout, go to where your computer says review and switch this to all markup. Sometimes it's preset at simple markup. Switch it to all markup and you'll see all of my notes, both on formatting Word, the example. Here's the 4 components to a bibliography. Notice that I repeat the title, and then I start in alphabetical order with the first entry. And the same stuff holds. I use the last name of the author. It's a peer-reviewed article, which, remember, a minimum of 6 of your sources needs to be peer-reviewed, or 3/4 of your sources if you're using 10 sources. And then a statement of how I'm going to use it, and then I immediately start the next entry. So hopefully these handouts will come out better now that I've learned where to hold the the camera. So this should help.